Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter Ntdll error and your computer crashes, then watch this video for the solution. Now the first thing we need to do is update Windows. So we'll right click on the start button, go to settings, and then we will click on Windows Update, and then we will click on check for updates. While that is going on, we will click on advanced options, optional updates, and install and update any driver updates here. Now the second option is to re-register the two DLL files. So that we'll go to command prompt in the search bar, right click on it, click on run as administrator, and then we will input this command regsvr32 space /u space ntdll dll and press enter. Then we will also type in this command regsvr32 space ntdll and press enter. Then restart the computer and you should no longer face this error and your computer shouldn't be crashing. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.